Inbound materials are received and logged to ensure the correct components enter the production flow.
Incoming quality checks verify dimensions, finishes, and basic electrical integrity before release. Non-conforming items are isolated, while approved parts are staged for controlled line feeding.
This assembly sequence looks optimized.
Right. Yes, the torque settings are updated here.
The configuration on the oven matches the tablet specs exactly.
Fastening parameters confirmed. Insulation levels match the schematic.
Looks good. All systems nominal. Proceed with authorization.
The first assembled unit is inspected to approve the line for full production.
Alignment looks good on the left rail.
Data confirms smooth transfer, right within tolerance. Verified structural components are fed to the line to form the oven chassis. Accurate positioning ensures structural rigidity and dimensional accuracy. Controlled fastening secures the chassis while preventing distortion. Controlled press fit ensures insulation remains secure during oven operation. Secure fastening and grounding ensures safe and reliable heating performance. Ground continuity is verified to ensure electrical safety of the heating system. Operators connect harness plugs to heating elements, sensors, and terminal blocks. Polka yoke keyed connectors prevent mismating. Early electrical testing detects wiring faults before final enclosure.
The oven cavity liner is installed to form the cooking chamber.
Controlled fastening locks the cooking cavity into its final position. Fastening correctly follows liner positioning and maintains structural integrity.
Correct sensor connections enable accurate temperature monitoring.
Pre-checks confirm sensor integrity before closing the enclosure.
Secure fastening and grounding ensure reliable and safe fan operation. Connecting the control module completes the oven's primary control circuits. A controlled power check verifies basic control electronics functionality. Consistent fastening secures the enclosure and maintains service access integrity.
Inspection ensures enclosure integrity before front-side assembly begins. Rear enclosure inspection.
Front heat shielding protects user interfaces and surrounding cabinetry from heat. Controlled press fit ensures the heat shield remains stable during operation. Accurate alignment creates the insulated door structure for heat retention. Even fastening prevents stress on the glass and ensures door rigidity. Final hinge locking secures the door for stable and safe operation. Connecting the control panel enables user input and display functions.
User interface testing confirms correct communication between controls and electronics.
Protective films are removed to allow accurate end-of-line inspection and testing. Uniform temperature distribution confirms proper cooking performance. Electrical safety tests verify insulation integrity and user protection. Ground bond testing confirms safe fault current paths.
Noise checks ensure the oven operates quietly within specification.
Retesting confirms the correction meets all specifications. Approved units are released to downstream pack-out operations. Final labels provide identification and regulatory compliance information.
Documentation and accessories are prepared to complete the customer package.
Bagging protects the appliance from moisture and dust during storage and shipping.
Sealing secures the packaged product for downstream handling. Weight checks confirm all components, and documentation are included.
Shipping labels ensure correct routing and handling through logistics.
Palletizing stabilizes cartons for efficient storage and transport.
Stretch wrapping secures the load during handling and shipment. Pallet labels maintain batch traceability through warehousing.
Finished pallets are moved to controlled warehouse storage.
Put-away scanning records the exact storage location for inventory control. Finished products are held under controlled conditions, awaiting shipment. Metal scrap from production is compacted for certified recycling.
Electronic waste is segregated to ensure compliant and safe disposal.
Non-recyclable hazardous waste is stored securely for licensed disposal.
Pallets are staged by route to streamline loading operations.
Finished ovens are loaded securely for transportation to distribution centers.
That's the last one, boss. Everything's secured.
Perfect. Seals look good. Close the doors.
Sealing the trailer protects shipment integrity and traceability.
The shipment departs the factory for downstream distribution.
Organized facilities support safe and efficient ongoing operations.
Built-in ovens are produced through controlled, end-to-end manufacturing processes.
Seal number 45B confirmed for the 1400 departure.
Checked against the manifest, all good to archive.
Spare parts are stocked to support service and warranty operations.
Production data is reviewed to drive continuous quality improvement.
The line is reset and prepared for the next controlled production run.
Is the calibration complete?
Yes, the numbers are stabilizing now.
Packaging materials are replenished to maintain uninterrupted production.
Audited units are released back into the finished goods stream.
Additional wrapping protects loads during extended transit.
Outbound quality release. Final approval authorizes pallets for shipment. Quality release closes the pack-out control loop.
Cleared pallets are staged for scheduled loading. Docks are prepared to match the outbound loading schedule.
Scanning confirms each pallet is loaded in the correct sequence.
The completed cycle leaves the warehouse ready for the next shipment.
Recycled cardboard is prepared for certified downstream processing.
Sealed shipments await scheduled departure from the factory.
Seal 1-4 Alpha confirmed. Manifest checks out. You're good to go.
Thanks, appreciate it.
The built-in oven production flow concludes with controlled, compliant shipment.